B2B buying is evolving as buyers want a better, more personalized experience when shopping for their businesses. But Salesforce has that covered. Here are 4 steps to create seamless buying experiences by connecting Salesforce CPQ and B2B Commerce. First, sync product and price data. With a single click, supplier admins can synchronize products from CPQ directly to B2B Commerce, allowing customers to self-purchase. For example, Pacific coffee shop owner Teresa can purchase coffee beans directly from the supplier's online store. The supplier can even create multiple prices for one product. Here, the default price for coffee beans is $15, but because everything tends to be more expensive on the West Coast, the price there is $20. Now all products are managed in one place, simplifying product catalog management. And because all changes are tracked and logged in CPQ and B2B Commerce logs, the entire process is reliable and scalable. Next, customers can request the help of a sales rep for a discount or quote. The coffee shop owner, Teresa, is a longtime customer, so she may be interested in receiving an additional discount. After adding a coffee machine to her cart, she can request a quote, noting that she'd like a discount as a return buyer. The account owner, Andrew, receives the request immediately via Chatter. From here, he can view Teresa's previous purchase history and add in that discount to reward her loyalty. This discount has been auto-approved, and because Teresa is likely to return for another purchase, Andrew can update Teresa's price for the coffee machine, so she will get the same discount next time. Once approved, the quote becomes an order, and the invoicing and shipping process begins. And since the order automatically syncs with B2B Commerce, Teresa can easily track the status of her order. Now, customers can return for touchless repurchasing. Because products, pricing, and orders are all in sync, repurchasing is seamless and easy for every customer. From Teresa's account, she can not only reorder, but also track previous orders without the need for a sales rep. With Salesforce CPQ and B2B Commerce connected on the world's #1 CRM, the entire team can access a 360-degree view of every customer. Because all of Teresa's interactions are captured in Salesforce, her sales rep Andrew can see all of Pacific Coffee's quotes, contracted prices, and orders. Using Salesforce billing, these orders are billed and collected in the same place too, all on the Salesforce platform. To get started connecting CPQ to B2B Commerce, check out our listing on the App Exchange.